Hey, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel for another video. So make sure that you're comfortable and relaxed because what I'm about to tell you just might cause spontaneous wallet anxiety. Yep, it's happening. Sigma, the brand that we all secretly root for because they make legit good glass without turning our bank accounts into a burning crater. Yeah, them. Well, they're about to jack up prices across the board. June 2nd, 2025, mark it, circle it, tattoo it into your memory, because after that date, every Sigma lens in the US more expensive. So here's the deal. If it's sitting on a shelf in the US right now, you're golden. But wait too long and stock might drop faster than, your motivation to edit a wedding video. Sigma has 6 APS-C lenses for the Canon RF mount. Well, technically RFS, but let's be real. It's all just RF with a tiny circle of sadness for crop sensors. Don't get mad. You know I'm right. And we all know what the blame is for the price hike. Now, Sigma did try to absorb the cost for a bit, but the 10% tariff on imports from Japan finally broke the camel's back. Now, to Sigma's credit, their price hikes aren't going full Leica insanity mode, but it's still gonna sting, especially if you've been eyeing something like the Sigma 16mm f1.4, which by the way, I am. And right now, it's still reasonably priced, but not for too long. So if you're currently in the market for any Sigma RF mount lens, or honestly, anything Sigma, now's the time. Don't wait because June 2nd is coming fast. So hopefully this video saves your wallet from future despair. So do me a favor and let me know down in the comments, what Sigma lens are you grabbing before the price jump? Or just tell me what piece of gear made you cry financially this year. Misery loves company. Remember to smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and click the bell to be notified of all future videos. Also, visit my website, jeff-gresham.com, to pick up my Lightroom presets pack that features 13 presets that I designed for all my photo projects. And until the next one, get out and shoot. And I'll see you soon.